Good morning, Sandy with JCY Company Incorporated, family owned and operated since 1956, fourth generation in the business. Today's project we are talking about Himax. It is one of our longtime loyal customers out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Currently, what has been going on over the last couple of years is the chiller's been getting tired. They've got their money's worth and the repairs became too costly. So we approached the customer. We best advised them that the unit's worn out and they got every penny out of it. And they've upgraded from a 50-ton JCY industrial chiller to a 80-ton industrial JCY chiller. With this project, we partner with Royal Mechanical for their master's license and permitting capabilities. The difference between JCY Company and Corporation industrial chillers and other chiller manufacturers is we truly do care about your cooling. We are there from the point of contact of sale till the point when you get your project truly cooled. We stand behind it 100%.